Om Shri Sai Ram, dearest sisters and brothers. Today we will share the profound blessings and benefits one can receive from the Meda Suktam. The Meda Suktam is a Vedic hymn dedicated to Mother Saraswati, which promotes intelligence, knowledge, and all-round retentive memory. This chant is relevant and beneficial for everyone, irrespective of which age or stage they may be in. For example, for children and youth, it brings out their creative and innovative side. Learning and thinking abilities start to blossom. They can concentrate and retain information much better. For young adults, this chant will help give them direction and ensure that they can make clear and decisive decisions, whether it be for their college or university studies, or even in the workplace. They will become very sharp thinkers, and growth and progression can take place in their careers as a result of this. For senior adults, this will definitely help to prevent memory loss and diseases such as Alzheimer's. They will also experience a greater sense of yearning for learning. As Lord Buddha says, as long as we are breathing, we are learning. And it is never too late in life to pick up a new skill or develop a passion or talent. But ultimately, for everyone, it brings out the highest potential latent within them. As Swami says, education is for life, not for mere living. With Meda Suktam, the teachings help individuals bring out the best in them, not for their personal gain, but for the welfare of the society at large. The verses in the Meda Suktam are filled with pristine, nectarine, sublime and divine thoughts, which arise in us when we chant this mantra with the correct intonation and pronunciation. The meaning of the opening verses or invocation of the Meda Suktam say that, let my word be sweet and rich its height. Let my ears hear good teachings always. I request your grace so that I can retain and remember these mantras forever. One particular verse says, Jihva me madhumattama. May my tongue be sweet like honey. Does it mean that we should eat a lot of sweetmeats such as gulab jambu? No, it means metaphorically that may the words that we speak be so sweet that it brings only joy to the listener and never inflicts pain. It continues to say, Meda Devi Jushamana Naga Dvishvachi Badra Sumanasyamana Tvaya Jushta Nudamana Duruktan Bruhadvadema Vidate Suviraha. Let the omnipresent Goddess Saraswati, the bestower of everything good, including happiness, grace us with her presence. O Devi, earlier we wasted our precious time in worthless and useless talk. Now with your benign grace, we have become wise. It goes on to say, Tvaya jushta rishir bhavati devi tvaya brahma gata shri rutatvaya. O Devi, one who has your grace blossoms into a rishi, a sage. They become a Brahma Jnani, one who has realized the Absolute. The lines continue to say, Apsara suchaya meda gandharve suchayal manaha. Let me be granted the same intellect innate in the divine damsels. Let that intellect which revealed itself as the Vedic knowledge, spread like fragrance and be granted to me. As the verses continue in the Meda Suktam, it goes on to say, Mahi Meda, Mahi Praja, Mahi Yajnas Tejo Dadatu Mahi Medam, Mahi Praja, Mahi Indra Indriyam Dadatu Mahi Medam, Mahi Praja, Mahi Suryo Brajo Dadatu. Let Agni, the god of fire, grant me intellect, the radiance from the recitation of the Vedas, along with the strength of the Indriyas. Let Surya, the sun, grant me the highest wisdom and the power to destroy all the internal enemies, so that I may clearly see the divine wisdom latent within me. The Meda Suktam concludes with the Hamsa Gayatri. Hamsa Hamsaya Vidmahe Parama Hamsaya Dhimahe Tallo Hamsa Prajodayat. The Hamsa refers to a swan. The swan is the only creature that is capable of separating milk from water once they have been mixed. This is symbolic of spiritual discrimination, which we can develop as we chant this Meda Suktam. May Mother Saraswati's bountiful blessings be upon one and all. We will now listen to Bhagwan's students and staff chant the Meda Suktam as recorded in Prashantaniliyam. Jai Sai Ram.
Yachandasam Rishabho Vishwarupaha Chandobhyodhyamritaat Sambhavuva Samendro Methaya Sprunoto Amritasya Devatharano Bhuyasam Shariram Me Vicharshanam Dikva Me Madhumattama Karnabhyam Bhori Vishruvam Brahmana Koshosi Medhaya Pitaha Shrutam Me Gopaya Medha Deve Jushamana Naaga Vishwachi Bhadra Sumanasya Mana Tvaya Dushtanudamana Guruktan Brahadvadema Vidate Suvira Tvaya Dushtarishirбhavati Devi Tvaya Brahma Gatashri Rutatvaya Tvaya Jushtaschitram Vindate Vasusano Jushasvadravino Namedhe Medham Ma Indro Dadhatu Medham Deve Saraswate Medam Me Ashvina Ubhavadatam Pushkarasraja Apsarasu Chaya Medha Gandharveshu Chayanmanaha Deve Medha Saraswati Sama Medha Surabhirjushata Swaha Ama Medha Surabhir Vishwarupa Hiranyavarna Jagati Jagamya Urjasvate Payasa Pinvamana Sama Medha Supratika Jushantam Mai Medha Mai Praja Mai Agnistejo Dadhatu Mai Medha Mai Praja Mai Indra Indriyam Dadhatu Mai Medha Mai Praja Mai Suryo Bhrajo Dadhatu Hamsa Hamsaya Vidmahe Paramahamsaya Dhimahi Tanno Hamsa Prajodayat.